Hey guys, and welcome back to Princess World, and we are going to be doing LOL unboxing. But first, if you watched the other previous video, you saw me unbox this one, and her name is, let me get her out of the box, Fancy. And I was surprised that I got her because I've never got new ones. I've never got this one before, but I'll show you which ones I've gotten before. Open it. So we got Fancy, yeah, Fancy, and we got my baby and baby cat, and they all were both popular. Hopefully we get a different club member. Gosh. So let's unbox this. And this says unbox me. And every zipper has a shape on it. Oh gosh. Oh! It's a different one. We got a pet lover, and now we got class clown? Yeah, class clown. That is cool. Different start. Wow. Cool. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that over there. So this, I think, has an extra layer. Does the other one have an extra layer? Who knows? And then they have this, the star one. That one had a heart one. Okay, what's for the other side? Wow, we got this faster. This is not different from the others. I think it's different because of light pink. It's light pink. Fancy. Okay, we'll keep going. Panther. I don't know how to say it. Bad at spelling. Hang in there, baby. Oh, that's from. Yep. Okay. And there's a triangle. Last one was a star, so. Oh gosh. Woo! We got, where is it? Real excited. Really excited. Okay, we are going to open the bottle. It's different. Good. It's pink. Hey, can you go get me some shirts? Oh, never mind. I can open them. So we got green. I think we're getting royal honey. We don't know. The bottle can stand. The bottle cannot stand. Okay. Class clown. Where's the other one? This is a circle. Circle. The other one was a triangle. That's weird. It's cool how it's different like shapes. Where's it? Okay. Ooh, the shoes. Oh gosh. Right. Can you get me something sharp so I can open these better? Yeah, I think we got royal honey. Put the scissors where So we got some shoes, Green's shoes.
Daddy to the rescue. I'll do it.
Okay. Okay. Now it's a diamond and smaller. That's pretty cool. What's that open? Okay. Whoa. Where is it? Ooh, boo, boo.
The top.
Think. Up on bottle shoes. I think, yeah. Okay. There we go. That took me a few tries. I even opened that? No, I didn't. I didn't open that better, but I did. Oh. Ooh. I think this is, yeah, this is, no, it's a different baby. Ah, that tricked me. It tricked me so good. I thought it was Royal Hiney. I'll show you her. I thought it was her, but it was this one instead of this one. I can tell the difference because that's shoes. Oh, got me so good. Okay, over there. And then there's pizza. Same way, and then do that. Okay, let's open the doll. We're going to open her accessories. So I'll go back here. Okay. Do you hear loudness back there? It's the dog. But, oh my, oh, we got a passy. That's cute.
Show the camera.
Here is a green passy that matches her shoes and bottle. And then what's it? Okay. I'm gonna be super careful on this one. So you open it, and then let's see her. Whoa. Yeah, look at her. She's so cute. Look at her. She's so cute. Like they both have the same color. So we are going to get her dress and it's gonna go. We're going to get. She is. I think her name is Surf Babe. Yes, Surf Babe. Surfer Babe. With an E instead of a Y. It's tricky. I'm having trouble with that. If I can get this. It's a little onesie. What the heck is Romero doing? Try and get her outfit on. Oh, banging. He wants attention. That's what he wants. Get your arm in there. Can you go make some cold water? Warm water. Hey. No, bud. No, buddy. Buddy, no. She's got cute little freckles. Wait. Yeah, that's so sweet. Her name is Sophie Babe. And I'm going to show you what they do. I do not know what they do, so hold on a minute. Okay, we are going to see what she does. I think she does two. They're fancy and they both do two things. There's not enough water. I don't know what she does. A little bit. It's a little embarrassing. Okay, we'll leave that's enough. Yeah, her head filled up. Wait, let me see. Yeah, her head's closed up, so that means she does not pee. That's a better way. She spits. She's a little spitter. She's doing anything else. I thought she color changed. You need cold water for the shot's color change. So she marked it off. She spits. Shh. Primero. She spits. And I think color changes. I can get ice water. Sorry. Ice water, ice water, ice water. Ice water. Is the video going still? Is the video even going? Okay. Let's do it. Think she color changes? She spits? I thought she color changed.
What's the warm water for?
Oh, I think you have to dip it in warm water, then cold water. What? What? Hey. Gotta swim in there. What? Oh god. That's kind of cool. Warm water? What the heck? Warm water. Cold. Cold. Oh yeah. And this is a doll stand. And then this is that little hangout. And a purse. Okay. CP. No. Don't spit at me. Okay, let's keep testing. I don't know what she does. I'm gonna have to do it in another video because we need to see what she does fast. These are actually my favorite colors, guys. I'm happy that they're my colors. You're just going to glow. Come on. Okay, here we go. What? Cold water. What the heck? I have to get it off. This is not working. Maybe you have to get a bottle.